Effortless small backyard gardening. Transform into a rustic farmhouse or tropical oasis. Small backyard gardening has never been more accessible and gratifying. Whether you envision a charming countryside garden, a rustic farmhouse appeal, or the vibrant allure of a tropical sanctuary, innovative garden design ideas promise to transform your cozy outdoor space into a personal oasis. Dive into the world of DIY garden projects, envelop your yard in lush greenery, and accentuate with outdoor garden decor, all while ensuring efficient use of your limited space for a space-saving garden that captivates the senses. Begin your gardening journey with practical yet stunning solutions like raised garden beds and container gardening, which are not only budget-friendly, but also remarkably adaptable to varying spaces. These techniques allow you to cultivate a homestead garden brimming with character. Embrace eco-friendly gardening principles by incorporating thoughtful backyard landscaping that complements charming garden details. Whether it's an aromatic herb garden or a robust vegetable plot you desire, these elements lay the groundwork for a garden teeming with life. For those seeking convenience, consider setting up a mini greenhouse or opting for low-maintenance plants that suit your lifestyle. Create a dreamy cottage garden, imbue your space with farmhouse-style charm, or infuse a splash of the exotic with tropical plants. Discover inspiration through flower garden layouts, comprehensive garden transformation guides, and ingenious small garden ideas that turn even the smallest backyard into a serene retreat. Whether you're crafting a cozy outdoor nook, diving into a new DIY landscaping project, or transitioning your design focus from the front yard to the backyard. These organic and self-sufficient gardening hacks will animate your imagination and ground your vision in reality. From garden makeover ideas that breathe new life into your vision to optimizing spaces with compact gardening techniques, patio gardens, and relaxing backyard setups, your garden sanctuary awaits. Experience the joy of growing your edible garden, constructing a garden trellis, or experimenting with vertical gardening to give your outdoor space a modern flair. Engage with urban gardening concepts, creatively incorporate recycled garden decor, and advocate for sustainable gardening practices to nurture a pollinator-friendly haven. Whether your dreams lean toward a tropical paradise, a naturally inspired backyard, or the innovation of a backyard greenhouse, let's blossom a peaceful garden together and celebrate the tranquility and beauty of nature within your own home.